That creature in the hole wasn't the only lesson I got this week. I got a whole pocket full of them. I saw something that, because I don't usually walk in 60-mile-an-hour winds, but I did this week, I saw ducks springing off the pond, flying upwards, not moving a single foot forward. Have you ever seen that? If you once see it, it is amazing. Flapping their wings, and just like a Harrier jet, vertical takeoff. Amazing. That tells me that we are not to fear the winds of strife, that God's angels from his heavenly throne are holding back. They will not be held back forever, but if we find ourselves in the midst of that strong gale of wind, it's the quickest way. We will be motivated, not in these 360 degrees that we could go our own track. We will be motivated straight up. We should look forward to it. We should pray that we're not affected by it. On the other hand, don't fear it, because our Lord himself said, "Fear not." Ducks taught me another thing. You might say this week was my bird brain idea week. I scared a part of a flock of ducks off one morning, and they went that way. And I walked a little farther, and the rest of the flock went this way. That away and this away, but I was watching to see what would happen. And they circled and came back together, made their formation, and then it was that they were able to go to where they wanted to go. I don't know how far to take that. I don't know where the implications are, but it is something that I invite you to consider this morning.